Hello guys! Today, I will show you how to use this reverse vending machine for recycled bottles here in Hong Kong. So, let's go! Before you recycle, you must have an Octopus card, Alipay, or you can donate it to the charity. Next, top up the Octopus card or scan the payment code of your Alipay so you can proceed. And you will see your balance and the daily limit of the reverse vending machine. And you can only get 3 HKD per day. And you can set the language to English as well. And you can start recycling. So we're done. It's very easy. After this, let's top up our Octopus or our Alipay again. So you can see, I've got $3, you see. And click the next and end. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.